Picture this, you're knee-deep in debt, credit card bills piling up. The thought of retirement seems like a distant fantasy, and every month it's the same struggle, paycheck to paycheck. But guess what? It doesn't have to be this way. Today we're serving up 7 proven steps to break free from the debt's shackles and rebuild your wealth from the ground up. This isn't just some pie-in-the-sky advice. It's a roadmap to financial freedom backed by success stories from folks just like you who have turned their debt nightmares into financial triumphs. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's dive in. Step 1. Acknowledge your debt. The first step might sound simple, but trust us, it's a game changer. Just take a deep breath and make a list of all your debts. Credit cards, personal loans, maybe some medical bills. Write it all down. Knowing exactly what you owe is the first step to turning things around. Step 2. Create a budget that works. Now that you know where you stand, it's time to create a budget. And here's a pro tip. Make it simple. Look at your income and expenses. Cut back on unnecessary spending and allocate more money towards paying off your debts. Step 3. Boost your income. One of the quickest ways to pay off debt is to simply earn more. Think about it. Take on a side hustle, sell things you no longer need, or ask for a raise at work. Every extra dollar you earn is one step closer to becoming debt-free. Step 4. Start small. Think big. When it comes to paying off debts, motivation is key. And here's where the magic happens. Start with the smallest debt on your list and make it your mission to pay it off as quickly as possible. Once you see that first debt disappearing, your motivation will soar. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining momentum and size as it goes. That's the debt snowball method. By tackling small debts first, you'll build up a rhythm and confidence that will carry you through the entire journey. Plus, the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you crush that first debt will keep you going strong. Step 5. The consolidation strategy. Managing multiple debts with different interest rates and due dates can be a juggling act. Enter debt consolidation, your secret weapon to simplify the debt payoff process. By consolidating your debt, you'll have one payment to focus on rather than several, making it easier to stay on top of your debt repayment plan. To consolidate your debt, consider options like balance transfer credit cards or personal loans. A little research goes a long way in finding the best deal for you. And here's an extra tip. If you're not able to consolidate all your debt, start with the ones that have the highest interest rates. That way you'll save money in the long run. Step 6. Negotiate with your creditors. Did you know that many creditors are willing to work with you? Give them a call and explain your situation. Ask if they can lower your interest rates or waive some fees. You never know what kind of relief they might offer. Step 7. Stay focused and seek support. Paying off debt takes time and dedication. There will be temptations to stray from your plan, but stay focused on your goal of financial freedom, and don't hesitate to reach out for support. Talk to friends, family, or even join online communities for debt payoff tips and motivation. You've got this, and there you have it. 7 proven steps to break free from the debt's shackles and rebuild your wealth. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. With determination and the right mindset, you can conquer debt and achieve financial freedom. If you found this advice helpful, don't forget to share for more tips on personal finance and debt management. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey to financial success.